Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can block a YouTube channel. It's a very simple method, so let's get started. For that, first of all, open up your browser and then in the search bar, search for youtube.com. Once you search for it, sign into your account. Once signed in, simply tap on this three line right over here. Now once you're here, under subscription, go ahead and search the channel you want to block. Once you're on the channel tab, all you have to do is simply tap on more right over here. Scroll below, then tap on Report User. Then choose Hide User from my channel. This will block that channel. They won't be able to comment or interact with your videos. Simply tap on Submit to confirm. You can do the same thing on mobile. The steps are almost identical. And if you would like to unblock later, all you have to do is simply tap Report User again. Then tap on Unhide User from my channel. Tap on Submit. And that's it. That is how you can block any YouTube channel quickly. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.